Glow Recipe's Watermelon Milk Peptide Glow Cushion Cream is one of the most talked about moisturizers of 2026. But after looking beyond the viral packaging and social media hype, it turns out to be a genuinely well-formulated product. The standout feature is its unique cushion-like texture that feels rich and nourishing while absorbing surprisingly fast into the skin. It delivers long-lasting hydration without leaving a greasy or heavy finish, making it comfortable for daily use. The formula contains peptides, ceramides, squalane, panthenol, and glycerin, which help support the skin barrier, lock in moisture, and leave skin looking healthy and plump. Being fragrance-free is another big advantage for people with sensitive or easily irritated skin. That said, it is not a miracle cream. If you're expecting dramatic anti-aging results or instant skin transformation, you'll likely be disappointed. At around $40 for 50 ml, you're paying partly for the luxurious texture, refillable packaging, and overall Glow Recipe experience. While the formula is excellent, there are more affordable moisturizers that also contain peptides and barrier-supporting ingredients. Oily skin types may find it a bit richer than necessary, especially in hot and humid weather. Overall, this is a moisturizer worth buying if you have dry, dehydrated, or sensitive skin and want a lightweight cream that provides serious hydration and barrier support. The formula feels thoughtfully made, rather than just another viral trend. However, if you're on a tight budget, you can find similar benefits elsewhere for less money. Final verdict, 8.5 out of 10. A very good moisturizer with a beautiful texture, but not an absolute must-have for everyone.